Hey y'all, and welcome to the Birmingham real estate market update. This is the 62nd week of us going through and looking at the Birmingham real estate market week by week in terms of pricing and in terms of inventory and all the numbers that make up the statistics for our market to give you a picture of what's going on. So that's what we're going to do today. We've also got the numbers for June in, so we can take a look at how the Birmingham real estate market as a whole unfolded in June. My name is Rob.h.drum. I'm a real estate broker at eXp Realty here in Birmingham, Alabama. I'm also the team lead at Birmingham Investment Group. We service investor clients, helping investors buy and sell in the Birmingham real estate market. I'm doing a webinar on investing in Birmingham real estate, kind of just an introduction to our market, introduction to neighborhoods, strategies, mindset on how to get started. And that'll be on the 30th of this month. You can sign up for that at robert.h.drum.us/webinar. So we'll go ahead and get started here. Last week we had 517 closings. That compares to the same week the previous year at 599 closings. So a little bit behind pace, but again, these numbers kind of roll in over time, and there's a little bit of a lag to how they get updated. So you can see last week, this is the updated number that we're close to the 900 from the same week the previous year of the last week. So this will probably get updated to be pretty close to 599. Active listings we've seen start to climb back up over the last month. That actually continued again this week, right about close to 70 more listings available sitting on the market right now than the same time last week. We have almost exactly the same amount of homes that are under contract, pending, and about to sell. So let's look at the numbers for June and see how that unfolded last month. Listings were up right about 7%. The number of homes that sold in 2021 versus 2020 is also up right about 7%. The average sale price is up almost 20%. So there's a little bit of a discrepancy between the average sale price and the median sale price. Median sale price is only up 11.1%. And that's usually a more realistic picture, a more consistent picture. Average can get skewed by maybe there was a couple multi-million-dollar homes that sold that pulled that average up higher. So that's what we're looking at. Either way you slice it, any way you look at it, it is very strong performance, double-digit home price appreciation year over year for the month of June, which is what we've seen, I think, every month this year. We've had double digits, showing double-digit readings for the median and the average sale price year over year. List to sale price is drastically higher. This over 3% jump in the ratio of sale prices on homes versus where they're listed. So homes on average are selling at 101, almost 102% of their list price. So on average, homes are going over list price. That doesn't mean every single home that gets listed goes over list price. That's definitely not the case, but especially in certain areas, it is almost a rule that homes that are priced appropriately will go over the list price. Average days on market down by almost half. Median days on market down by more than half. We've been kind of sitting at 3 for the median days on market, and I don't see how that could really go much lower because you're obviously kind of limited with the way our MLS reporting works. You're limited to the lowest you can get is 0, and there's obviously some homes that are going to sit on the market. So 3 is, I think, almost as low as we can go. Maybe I'll be surprised later this year, but that's definitely drastically stronger, more competitive market than we were looking at last year. So summer so far is not disappointing as far as what we would expect from a really strong year of market appreciation and competitiveness and lack of supply and massive demand. And a lot of that demand has been driven by this right here, which is the extremely low 30-year mortgage interest rates. That's something that we've started watching on this show because I think as if you're looking for this market to cool off, I would be watching this. This is really the only thing that I could see ever cooling off the market is if rates start to tick back up and your $1,500 monthly payment no longer buys a $300,000 home. Now it only buys a $250,000 home. And the equation changes for the end buyers who are buying these homes. So that's what I'm watching on this show, and I'm happy to keep up with it and share that with you. The last year it's kind of just been hovering right around this 2.9 to 3% 30-year mortgage index rate. So 2.98% this week, down to 2.9%. Thank you all for watching. Really appreciate it. Always, y'all have a great Friday, a great weekend. If you're interested in learning about investing in the Birmingham real estate market, you can sign up for that at the webinar at robert.h.drum.us/webinar. So I'd love it if y'all would subscribe and like this show, like this episode and this channel. And I will see y'all again next week.